Want to create a professional webpage in just 2 minutes? With Gamma AI, it's super easy. Let me show you how. Open your browser and search for Gamma AI. Hit enter and click on the first result that appears. On the Gamma AI interface, click Sign Up for free. On the login page, simply continue with your Google account for a quick sign up. Once you're on the home page, locate the Create New button and click on it to get started. On the newly opened page, you'll see 3 powerful options. Paste in text. Create a web page using notes, outlines, or existing content. Generate. Build a web page with just a 1-line prompt. Import file or URL. Transform existing documents, presentations, or web pages. For this tutorial, we'll click on Generate. Now, carefully enter your prompt. Be precise with your instructions, and don't forget to select web page as your project type. Adjust your cards as needed and click Generate Outline. After your cards are generated, take a moment to review them. Below the cards, you'll find Settings. Adjust the level of detail and select an appropriate image source based on your needs. Once done, hit the Continue button. Gamma AI will now prompt you to choose images for your web page. Pick images that suit your content and hit the Generate button. It might take a few moments, so stay patient while it works its magic. Once everything is complete, click the Publish button at the top. Finally, click on View Site, and there you have it, your fully functional web page. And that's it. You've created a stunning web page in just 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.